now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden, I hear this agitating, grating voice.
What the f? Why are you here? I didn't even see him. Like, I didn't even get a... They must have experienced Stalker.
Yeah. That would actually make a lot of sense because Johnny got me. Kind of a sus way.
Okay, now Hitchhiker's gonna be on my ass for the remainder of the game.
Might be a barrier toward more storage.
I'm just gonna waste this time. Oh shit! You almost got me. Oh come on, fuck off of me, Hitch.
Hello.
Hi, back. I'm Will.
Hi.
Hi, Will. I'm back.
Hey.
Hey. I missed you guys. I was gone for a minute.
We were making a bunch of back puns while you were gone.
Oh,
it was,
you
like,
shouldn't
outstanding.
have.
I don't think you could have
shouldn't
stood it.
Oh, fuck, what did I walk into? Oh, I love it.
Walk, something you can't do very well.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Fucking
Speaking of, haha, nerd, get shit on. No, I'm just kidding.
Flip, are you seeing this? I fucking made it up here. I'm out. Fuck this.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how.
Run!
Virginia
I can't
has her
fit.
powder.
Run.
It's everyone's out.